This is Tutor Nick B, and this is verb phrase 18. The verb phrase today is scoot over. All right, so let's take a look at the note. This verb phrase is a more informal way of telling someone to move over. It's very informal. Yeah, just scoot over, scoot over. Especially to make space for another person. It is often a way of telling someone to slide over while sitting. So a lot of times they're already sitting and you're kind of want them to just slide their butt over, really, maybe. A lot of times we say scoot over. All right, so let's take a look at some examples here. Look at the first example. Number one, scoot over. We have to make room for grandma to get in the car. Yeah, it could be like in a car seat. Okay, number two. You're all sprawled out. Yeah, maybe like somebody's lying on the couch. You're all sprawled out. Scoot over so I can sit on the sofa with you. Okay. And number three, don't worry. There is room for you. I'll just scoot over to the end of the couch. Make room for you to sit down. Okay, good. I hope you got it. Hope it's informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.